Hello, everyone. So, in the way that we do, we're going. Hello, everyone. We are giving away a free manifestation workshop, and I, over the years, I do free things as a way to kind of give back to the community. And this particular workshop is going to be extraordinary. We're going to be doing it on October 8th on the fall equinox. There's going to be a lot of alignment happening. I'm going to be showing you how to manifest things in your life pretty simply. Over the years, I have created a lot of products and services around manifesting, and they've been very successful for people that practice and use those products and services. So, in this one, as I expand, grow, and gain more knowledge, I usually put those into products, but I've decided this time to just do it completely as a free workshop on October 8th, 2024. Below is the link to click. You just put in your email. All the information is emailed to you. And this one's going to be really special because I'm going to be going over some deeper insights that I've learned over the last year into manifesting. So get excited. It's a free workshop. It will be recorded if you can't make it at the time and the date of October 8th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. But it's going to be fun, and it'll be interactive. It'll be a Zoom call. You can ask me questions. I don't do very many interactive workshops, free workshops, especially during the year. So this is, very special. I'm taking time out of my day to deliver something to you that could be very potent in your life as a force of bringing things into fruition and manifesting. So look forward to seeing you there, folks. We're going to rock this one big time.